What's up? What's up, guys? The crypto bubbles are simply bubbling. Amazing things happening in the market. Welcome to Wealth with Crypto. New to this channel, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Guys, this is where we document our journey in crypto and we help you to also grow your wealth in crypto whilst making passive income along the way. Guys, welcome to the channel. The markets have just been ramping up and it's just been amazingly doing so well. And guys, you got to see the numbers. On your screen, you can see how the bubbles are simply bubbling. Look at some of the insane gains that is happening in the market. Guys, in the last couple of weeks, we have just been pumping. And if you've not been observing, guys, then you must be living under a rock. Look at some of the numbers. Tokens like Aptos here has done 250% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 month, there is nowhere in the world you can make this insane gains except in crypto. Look at a coin like Solana, it's done 115% in the last 1 month. Amazing stuff. FTT, this was called to be dead. And guys, look at what is happening here. CRV here, 109%. And these are just insane gains that you can get anywhere. You can't get anywhere. Look at SHIB. SHIB is doing 46.2%. And guys, it's been amazing. This is the top 100 coins on tokens, okay, on CoinMarketCap. If we do the top 200, look at what is happening. Top 200 coins like Locus has done insane, 195. One of my favorite gaming coins has been Gala. Guys, I started buying Gala way deep down there, and it paid off. It paid off. I just fell in love with Gala, the whole ecosystem of Gala and what they were trying to do and what they are doing. Guys, they are building a whole gaming studio on the blockchain, and I just knew that this was going to be a game changer, and it's done 185% just in the past 1 month. Guys, look at coins, projects like FET or Fetch.ai. Both FET here and AGIX, which is Singularity Network, here are both AI projects. And these guys are just crazy rocking up. 290% for AGIX and 214% for Fetch.ai. This is how crypto is, guys. When we start pumping, we pump up so wild. And this is why patience really is the key to winning big in crypto. Okay, so if you were buying the dip and buying the red last year and patiently waiting for the market, I want to say congratulations, because your patience has started to pay off and is going to pay off big time. Are we out of the woods? Are we out of the red? Is everything clear and green? Absolutely no. Still, we have global recession looming. We have a lot of economic issues here and there. But what I need you to understand is that time in the market definitely always pays off than time in the market. Anybody who was in the market in December, guys, has just begin to see amazing things. Let me take you to the chart and let's see what is happening in the charts. So Bitcoin today rose to about $23,300 and then dipped a little bit, retraced a little bit, and we're hovering at $22,989 currently at the time of this video. Guys, what you need to understand is that the narrative is changing. There are some people out there who just hate this bull run and think this bull run is not going to last and all that, guys. But if you are like me and you are thinking for the long term, you need to see the brighter light ahead of us. Yes, we've been through a lot of negativity in 2022, collapse of FTX, Luna crash, a lot of bankruptcy filings here and there, a lot of FUD just are all around the system. And if you don't get yourself out of all that negativity and start seeing the positivity in the markets, guys, you're going to miss out big time on the gains that we are going to see. So get out of all the negativity and begin to see the brighter side. The narrative is changing and it's time for you to really, really lock your spot. Look at what is happening. Ethereum sitting at 1,632. This is something that was sitting around 1,003, 1,002 about a month ago. And today we're sitting at $1,632 at the time of this video for the price of Ethereum. Look at Solana, and let me show you something here in the chart of Solana. So crypto, it's amazing and can really surprise you in many ways. Look at the chart of Solana. You know, let me just pull the 1 month chart for you to just get an idea. 1 month ago in December, exactly December somewhere 29th, exactly 29th, Solana was sitting at $8.7 per coin, $8.7 per coin. And currently we are sitting at almost $25 per coin. Anybody who got in here at 8.7 has literally 3x their money, meaning that you have made about 300% of your money if you got in right here at the bottom. Even if you did not get in here at the bottom, and then you manage to get in anywhere here at $9, $11, you are not bad at all. You are looking very good where we are currently. And so what I need you to focus on is not to just follow the narrative and all the negativity around in the market. This is a coin that was presumed to be dead, okay? And everybody there's so much further negativity about Solana. But you know, I am not a technical person. I don't do technical analysis. I'm a fundamentals person. I look at the true intrinsic value of a project, try to understand what is happening. At the time of all the FUD around Solana, the transaction per speed, the network was working well, the developer community was growing, the total number of transactions per day on the network or on the blockchain of Solana was still rising, was among the top 2, top 3, always alternating in that range. And for me, I knew that Solana was a game changer. So what did I do? I scooped some more when the price was low. I remember scooping some more at about $11, scooping a little bit more at $13. I had bought the highs last year in Solana, okay? And so I was looking for a perfect opportunity to scoop some more. Why? So that I can reduce my average cost, or what we call DCA, and therefore when the price goes up again, then I can make insane gains. Today Solana is like my number 3 in my portfolio in terms of the value and the coins that I hold in Solana, and it's amazingly well. But guys, let me show you another thing. If you look at the entire chart, we are still very much in the valley, okay? Even with where we are sitting at roughly $25 per coin as of the time of this video, we're sitting about $24, $25 currently. Look at the highs that we have been to. At the top, at the peak of it, Solana was about $250 per coin. Even though this is already about 300% pump up in price, it is still very low. So instead of sitting on the fence and thinking that this pump is not real, this is going to die off, just look at the upside potential, okay? And look at how close you are to the bottom. The question you want to ask yourself is, from $25, how low can we go, and how much of your money can you lose? If you think long term, and if you look at the whole ecosystem of Solana, what they are doing, what they are building, okay, and you really understand it, you fall in love with the project and you realize that in the long term, you're going to gain massively. Why? Look at the upside potential from here, $250 up here to where we are currently. This is potentially insane gains for you. Okay. And for anybody who got in around $8 or $10 or $11, you really in for an amazing thing ahead of you. So in as much as we have already done about 300% or so on Solana, if you got in at the very bottom, please understand that we are still very much in the valley, meaning that what? As long as we are still in the valley, it is not overbought, and there is still room for people to lock their spot where we are now, because there is so much ahead of us and there's so much potential in this project. This is just Solana, and I'm in no way promoting and telling you to go buy Solana. I'm just using the chart of Solana just to give you an idea that, and to let you know that in as much as we have been pumping in the past 1 month, we are still so deep in the valley such that still, if you get in right now, you have so much potential ahead of you, and to make really some good gains. You look at a project like Avalanche and you see the same story here, in the sense that in the past 1 month, we have been pumping. We took off from about $11, $10 here, and currently we are sitting at about 17, almost $18. That is almost about 80% to 70 to 80% in upside gains that you would have gained already. And but yes, still, if you look at the overall chart, we are still very much in the valley. At its peak, Avalanche hit about $134, and you are looking at $16 or $17 as of now. What I need you to understand is that if you were going to buy a house, you looked at the house, you loved the house, you knew this was a community or the place that you wanted to stay, and you realized that the house was going for about 90% discount, are you going to wait for the house to go off to say 95% discount or 98% discount? What I want you to see, guys, is that at this price, we are already about 90% discount in the prices. And pretty much all the tokens or coins you are seeing here in the chat are almost at about 90 to 95% discounted already. Now, are you going to wait for it to hit 98% discount before you go in and buy? Are you going to wait for it to drip a little bit more, 95%, and buy? It is only because you are thinking short term and thinking temporal. But if you are really thinking long term and thinking of a long-term strategy for your investment, then whether you buy it at 95% discount, 90% discount, it is already a huge bargain and a huge grab for you, such that it really doesn't matter whether you buy in at 93% discount, 95% discount. Why? Because you have a huge potential for upside gains, such that 3 or 5% that you're waiting to get a little bit more doesn't really matter if you are thinking long term. For a spot trader, I can understand. For those who get in, get out, make 5% here, make a quick gain there, I can understand. I'm not a technical person. I'm not a spot trader. I'm a fundamentals person, thinking value, thinking intrinsic value, thinking blue chip, thinking of things I can hold for long term and really create wealth. So guys, I hope it's been amazing and it's been a learning journey for you as you follow this channel and follow our documentary and of what we are doing with our investment. Well, I'm definitely learning a lot, because every day I get the opportunity to learn, to understand the markets, to grow in the market. I'm not a sophisticated person, and the ordinary crypto lover like myself is not a sophisticated person. So set your mind on long-term fundamentals, look for some blue chip projects, hold for the long term, build a portfolio that is well balanced in layer 1, layer 2s, get some gaming. If you are interested in some payments or some trading coins, get some trading coins, get some AI project if you are interested in it, guys, and then get ready and brace yourself up for the ride that is going to happen this year into 2025. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I gonna see you on the next video. Stay blessed and take care of yourself.